Hi everyone, today we're going to quickly look at both IPSY and BOXYCHARM subscriptions at the most basic level. Both companies have 5 full products, which I love, and you do get to select up to 2 products on each one of the boxes. Comparatively, they are fantastic. I have a predilection. I always prefer the BOXYCHARM, but that is my personal opinion, whereas other people might enjoy IPSY better. I just feel like the BOXYCHARM is an overall better box for older skin, whereas IPSY tends to cater to the younger generation. It has been my experience, but the ability to pick your products kind of helps me a lot, because IPSY has given me the choice to get hairbrushes and better brushes overall, like for applying. So I really appreciate that. But both product qualities are about the same, I would say. Beautiful jar. This is for the face from Saturday Skin. Makes it sticky. Evens out the skin tone, maybe. Moonlight right over the stick. Pretty, very pretty. Cheek colors. This is different. Wow, super dark. A little bit goes a long way. Blush Glow, and it has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Oh, look at that color. Coral color. It's drier and magnetic nails. Be interesting to see how these get used. Lipstick. So we're in full-fledged summer hair here in Texas. As you can see, I haven't really fixed my hair. I kind of rolled a few pieces so it doesn't look like a crazy woman, but you can see the ends are all split. This Shine product, the Age Super Shine Serum, what it does is you're supposed to be able to use it in both wet hair and dry hair to kind of lock in and give it some shine. You're supposed to pump 3 or 4. I have a lot of hair, so this is not gonna be enough. I'm just gonna try to do the tips so it gives me a natural look. The scent is insignificant. It's in there. It smells a little bit like oranges, but very, very lightly. And I just want to have soft hair for the day. No makeup and a bump in my head. We have been doing a lot of spring cleaning, early summer cleaning here, and the kids are on vacation, so I've had them paint my furniture outside and do mulch. I've been supervising, but even so, I bumped myself. Don't even know how. All right, so the next product that we're gonna look at from the IPSY package is the Pretty Pop that is supposed to have probiotics in it, so I guess live bacteria. The way they tell you to spread it is to place it on the palm of your hand and spread all over your face, which is an odd way of giving you directions, but the tub that it comes in, it's glass. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. It's just got like that beautiful pearlescent color on it. I will get a bunch of it, put it in the palm of my hands, and let's see what happens. The scent, it's citrusy, but not really. Probably doesn't have any fragrances, but there it is. Give it some moisturizing and shine. I'll let you know if it made my neck itch. Usually if I put stuff in my neck, it ends up itching. But there you go. Nice, glowy, healthy skin. I did use a product this week that gave me a few spots here and there, so I'm waiting for them to heal, but I'll hide them with some concealer in a little bit. So real quick with the Glossy Box Basic Beauty eyeshadow primer, let's just grab a little bit. What you'll see is that it will dry quite quickly and become sticky. Just gonna put it on. I'm gonna go ahead and do both eyes and all the way up to the top. Feels like it reacted with some cream I might have had it and pilled a little bit, so just make sure not you use creams underneath. Just use gels. Usually gels are less likely to pill when you mix products. I don't know, I cannot tell if it changed the color of my skin and evened out the skin tone, but it definitely feels a little thick. Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. Not basic, but extra. So I think this is a real pretty color, and it looks like an oyster color, but the color is Moonlight. You can use this stick just to line the base of your eye, as well as to spread it all over. Just remember, with sticks like this, usually have only like 45 seconds for it to spread, and then it sets in place and it won't go anywhere, which is great if you were swimming or sweating and the humidity. It's perfect, but just know that it makes for quick work. So the next product is the Purlisse B&B cream. It's a cheek color that has hyaluronic acid and also vitamin E. It's supposed to hydrate and moisturize and plump up your cheeks. They say it has a natural color. For me, I don't know how this is gonna look. I'm not wearing any foundation, as you can see. This is my summer look. The color is quite orangey and it feels powdery. So I don't know how it's gonna go. They also say it's buildable, so that means that it will give you, oh my God, I don't think I need buildable. This is like super orange to me, or supposedly peachy, I guess you could call it, but it feels, at least from the small camera, like a real peachy color in an extremely pigmented way, but I might be wrong. It might look nice. What do you guys think? I used very little, as you saw, and I applied to both. I think it kind of disappears and you can build up on it a little bit more. Like this feels awfully bright, maybe because the window is that way. What do you think? Maybe I can use some more. If you look real close, I can see the color particles. Oh my gosh. When you put it on, it's really scary looking. Give it a minute for, sometimes, you know, I get the rosiness from touching my skin. So after that settles down, maybe it will settle the color. So let's see. All right, so for the BOXYCHARM, the Skin Ink Serum Shimmer is a primer, and look at how gorgeous. Show you how beautiful that is. It has those little bubble things. I don't know what they do, but maybe they have the glossy part in there, and it should prime your skin with a couple of pumps. There you go. And you're supposed to just move it backwards. I don't really see a shimmer, but it does feel refreshing, and it is that gel material, which should make, it makes the makeup stick to it, although I probably won't want makeup other than what came in the box. Hold on. The Honeymoon Glow Body, it has alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acids, which is great to get your skin, like especially on your legs and arms, the sloughing off during the summer, to kind of get it nice and smooth. I have some skin issues, so it really won't help me, but I still enjoy putting that stuff on. It does smell a little bit like honey, but it smells good. A little medicinal, but a little bit honey-ish. Now let's try the Dewy Blush from Ciate. I just got this one, something similar last month, and I loved it. The color in this one is different, and I think the other one was from IPSY. This one is plum. It's super dark. Look at that. But it will spread. This color is ideal, I think, for people with cooler tones or olive skin tones. This is the look that I get when I actually go out in the sun and get sunburned. But I have a little sun glow now. Hopefully this will settle down as well. So we'll look at it in a few seconds and see if it's settled. But it is a pretty color. Of course, I would do this more carefully in front of a mirror. And I thought that was lovely that they coordinated the cheek color with the lipstick that they sent, which I liked. It feels drier than I would hope. In the summer, I like my lips to be nice and glossy. It feels soft and oily when you put it on, but after a while, I think if it cakes up a little. Again, I don't know what I'm doing because I can't see. There it is. That's a lovely color. I like both the cheek color and the lip color with this orchid-like bloom. It's more of a preference, so keep watching and see every month what I am offering on both the BOXYCHARM and the IPSY, and see which one works best for you. I will put a link right here at the end of the video that will show you all my beauty boxes, and you can make your decision based on history, the history of each box. All right, have a good one.